Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is the best day of the week because it is Face Beat Friday. Jazz finger. For those of you who are new to this channel, every Friday I provide a makeup video, a makeup related video, whether that's a tutorial, a review, or my unboxing, something makeup related. For today's Face Beat Friday video, I'm going to be using some of my old reliable Juvia's Place products. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more Face Beat Friday videos or any other videos that I post throughout the week. What you will always get is a video on Friday, and you get bonus content throughout the week. So recently I've been scrolling through some of my old videos and looking at some of the things, some of the looks that I've created, some of the palettes that I've used, and it's been a while since I've used these palettes on my channel, so I was like, hey, why not go back and revisit them. They are some of my favorites. As you all know, I love Juvia's Place. I own pretty much every Juvia's Place palette. Eventually they will be sponsoring me. Eventually I will get on the PR list. You just got to speak it. The law of attraction works. So eventually they will be sponsoring me, but until then I'm still going to use their products because I love them that much. Today I'm going to be creating a look using 4 palettes: the Masquerade, the Nubian 2, the Zulu, the Festival. So these 4 palettes will be used today for our look. I thought it would be fun to create a new series on this channel called the Color Wheel Challenge, and basically what that is me doing a look with just one specific color from the color wheel. For today I'm challenging myself to create a full look using oranges. I'm going to use a combination of oranges and browns, and I just want to try it out and make a very monochromatic look and see if I like it, see if I can do it. I decided to start with orange because I don't use orange often. I am like a purple and blue type of girl, so I wanted to kind of get myself out of my comfort zone. It's always about pushing yourself and doing something different. So we're really going to focus on the eyes, and I'm not going to get into too much detail about my complexion product. I'm just going to use the Juvia's Place foundation sticks. If you have not seen my foundation sticks video, I will leave a link up here on the screen so that you can go check that out and see how I apply them. Let's get into it. Alright, so I have my complexion makeup on, and it was a struggle today. I don't know why I was struggling so hard. It took me way longer than it should have. Hopefully it looks okay on camera because I'm not satisfied with it. But anyway, completely off subject. Let's go ahead and jump into our eyes. I have primed my eyes with the glue stick by Crayon Case. I forgot how good that primer was, and I just happened to pull it out a couple videos ago, and I've been in love with it ever since. So great buy, just to let you know. I'm gonna start in the Masquerade palette with the color Burkina. This is gonna be right here, our color for right under the brow bone. My vision is, when I'm doing these color wheel series, I want it to be gradient makeup. I want you to be able to see the change from the lightest color to the darkest color, and however I do it, however I place it, but I really want it to be a smooth gradient of the said whatever color it is that I am looking to get. So starting with this Burkina color, this is just kind of going right up under the brow bone to soften the concealer and things that are up under it. Next, I'm going to go in from the Nubian 2 palette with the color Nefertiti. I'm using that same brush. There's no point in dirtying up another brush. Y'all, please don't judge my eyebrows. I have not gotten them done in months on end, okay? So I know that my eyebrows look a mess, but please don't judge them, okay? I appreciate it. Don't come for me, because these things are clockable. I know they are. I'm going to take another big bristle brush. We're going to go in from the Zulu palette and use the orange that is in that palette. It's a nice matte orange. This palette does not have any names. So as you can see, with each color, I'm bringing it up to meet that the previous color. However, with each color, I'm going a little bit further down on my eyelid while still having it meet the previous color. so that we can really kind of get that gradient effect happening. So with this same brush that I just used, I'm gonna go in with the color Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette. And this one I'm gonna kind of put more on the lid. And I'm really going to pack it right here where the crease and the lid meet. And the key with doing gradient looks is to really pack that color on. So right here in this area, now this particular color I am not bringing up. As you can see, I'm keeping it nice and close and on this lid as much as possible. And to make sure that I'm keeping it right here on the lid, I am not using any circular motions like I did with the other colors. I'm using short sweeping motions back and forth. And every so often I'm just dipping it back into that color and building and building and building, and I'm just going to keep building and building and building until I get it exactly how I want it, until I get the intensity that I want. I'm going to take a clean brush, and right on the edges I'm just kind of softening them. See that? So there's nothing on this brush at all. I'm just softening up the edge. That's what I like. So I'm already getting that nice gradient effect like I want, so this is good. I'm gonna keep building just a little bit more, focusing really on the outer part of my eye and pushing it in towards the crease. Next, I'm going to take from the Masquerade palette the Fulani color. This is a nice matte brown, and I'm going to put that right on the actual lid. This Fulani color, I'm putting it all over the lid, but I'm focusing more on the inner corner. And then, so the exact opposite from what I did with the last color. I'm focusing on the inner corner, and then sweeping outward. The last color I focused on the outside and swept inward. This time I'm focusing on the inward and sweeping outward. Now with that same brush that I just used, I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 palette and get the color Kenya. And I'm going to do the opposite again. I'm going to start on the lid, on the outer lid, and sweep inward. I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to go back from the Masquerade palette and use the color Cairo. Oh, isn't it fitting that I'm using the color Cairo? That's my baby's name. I'm going to put that right on the inner eye and sweep that kind of across. So by using the browns before using this Cairo color, it really reinforces the gradient look that I'm getting from the oranges. And I'm just lightly sweeping that all over where that brown touched. Alright, again with that clean brush, and I'm just sweeping over all of the colors. So now I'm going to use from the crayon case colored pencils. This is the coffee liner. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I don't really line with brown, but I want to keep it in the same color family, so that's what we're going to do. Y'all have no idea how hard it is to line your eyes with a baby in your lap. Go into the Festival palette and use Ofala. And this is a nice bright, highly pigmented bright orange. Alright, with that same brush, I'm going to go into the Zulu palette and use the brown that's in that palette. Again, this palette does not have names for the colors. I'm sorry. I am going to use a black liner because no matter what, I still have to use black on my under eye. I'm going to go back with that brown. I'm going to go from the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette and use the color B. So I have Cairo and B on my face today. And that's going to be my blush. If only they had a color named Cliff, then we could have the whole family on my face today. And then I'm gonna go back with the color Tau and put that right at the apples. And I like hit it once, hit my cheeks. And now I'm gonna buff it out. I did not contour at all. I just highlighted. So to kind of do for my contouring product, I'm going to use from MAC the Film Noir blush and a small fan brush. For our highlight, we're going to go and use the color Trophy Wife from Fenty. And I'm going to use my finger and place it right on my cheeks and also in that inner corner. Oh yeah, that make the look pop, right? Oh, that was needed. Oh, that was needed. Yeah, even Cairo says that was needed. Then I'm gonna take that brush and blend it out. And when I blend it, I go ahead and blend it up into that arrow. Alright you guys, this is the finished look with my color wheel challenge using the color orange. I think it came out really, really nicely. And this lip sets it off. This is MAC Film Noir, one of my all-time faves. It came together, I'm not gonna lie. Halfway through I was a little nervous. I was like, I don't know, but I've come too far to give up, so I gotta make it work. But once I added the inner corner highlight and my lashes, I think this look came out really, really nicely. And I'm excited about doing these gradient looks because it's fun to just build up those colors. And the great thing about it is this is a great exercise in blending. If you're not the strongest blender, using the same color, at least in the same family, even if you are a little new at blending, it helps you to kind of build up your blending technique. So that's a great thing about doing these gradient looks. Also, if my lashes aren't perfect, y'all, which this lash is slightly off, I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's hard to try to put lashes on with a baby in your lap. So blame it on me being a mom and not my ability to put lashes on. Sorry. But thank you all again for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts on this look. Tell me what color I should do next for my color wheel challenges for Face Beat Friday. Or just, you know, drop by, give me your thoughts. We can talk about whatever in the comments. You know, it's on you. It's whatever you want to do. Hey! I'm so lame. Anyway, alright, thank you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go ahead and continue to watch, binge watch. I'm going to put some videos up here on the screen for you to binge watch, so just keep going. I'll see y'all next week. Peace. I hate my hair. This is why I don't straighten my hair. I should just do this. Me. Hey. 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 Relax. Don't relax. See, that's the problem. You just want somebody to talk to you. I can't. I'm trying to talk to the camera. You. Stop being silly. Let me work. Go ahead and take that blender and blend.
I stole a set of those. BTW.
I was wondering where my other one went.
Figured you wouldn't mind. You have like hella lashes to choose from.
Wondering where my lashes
You wasn't wondering if you.
I was like, did I buy them like this?
I was about to say, you probably thought you used it.
No, I was like, no, I knew I didn't use them. I was like, did I buy them like this? Did I buy an open pack of lashes?
Open lash.
Did I do that for real? I thought I was going crazy.